Hello. I like to record these videos to act as evidence of what I have been witnessing with the UAPs, UFOs. Now at 10 about 4:10 a.m. this morning, when I was in my bed, I slept again with the curtains open, and I witnessed the object, the UAP, UFO, floating again in the sky. Earlier, it was in the different part of the sky, and then it had moved further along the sky, up in the sky, and I had taken the photo, a still photo, from my bed, and here is, as in the other videos, the zoomed in version of the photo. I zoomed in on it. Now let's see, what do you see again around here? I'll use this. This will act as a pointer. I see a sort of square object. It's a slightly different object shape than the other ones that I'd seen, but the same characteristic, very bright white light. The object is made up of very bright white light. Now when I zoom back out to show you, see there, that's a windowsill up there, and this is to prove that I've shot the image from my window. So once again, I'll zoom back in again. Actually, sorry, let me zoom back out. Even when people have said to me that it could be a planet or something, but the thing is, a planet is not going to have a sort of square sort of shape, is it? Planet is not square, it's round, right? And also, it's hard to see, but when I'm willing to send you the JPEG photos, because I've made copies of the photos. I've stored them onto my various devices and onto my Amazon Drive and Google Drive. So you can download the photo, you can have a look at the photo yourself, but when you look at the photo, you will see a very bright white object, and it has a sort of square sort of shape to it, and it has a sort of heat signature around the object. So no way is this a planet, and it's not a plane. So what this object does usually goes from one part of the sky to another part of the sky, and it seems to basically stay stationary for long periods of time. And then it later on goes further and further up in the sky until then I can no longer see it. But as I said, I'd love to find out what these objects are. But over the course of time, hopefully we will find out. All right, thank you.